So hello guys, what's up? So I'm back with another video on CSS. So what is CSS? So HTML basically provides a basic structure to your web page, but CSS adds styling to it. It makes it look better. So how to implement CSS? So basically no programming is required to implement CSS, and simply there are two parameters, that is property and value, and we have to set those two parameters.
So let's get started. I hope you are familiar with HTML before watching this video. If not, check the description below. So suppose I have a folder, I have a web page as follows. This is my first web page. It has a header tag, it has two paragraph tag and an image tag. And I want to implement CSS on this web page, so to speak. So let's check the source code of this page. So this is the source code. So I want to implement CSS on this. So there are many methods to implement CSS on a web page. It can be done by a style attribute. It can be done in various ways. So let's see the first way to do this. So what we will do, we will define the style attribute of the tag, and we will then define the property and the value. So suppose h1 style, and we want to say that font family is Georgia. So this is the way to implement CSS using the attribute. And for paragraph tag, let's say we want to change the font size. So first of all, we will select the attribute style and then change the font size of this tag, and let's say it to be 20 pixels. So let's see the changes that we have done. So as you can see, the font style of this has changed and the size of this paragraph has changed. But as you can see, the second paragraph has not been implemented. So actually this is not a good idea to implement CSS, as we are intermingling HTML and CSS, so to speak. So what we will do here is that we will make a separate CSS file and then we will implement. So let's make a new file here. Let's save it here. So now what we need to do, we need to delete this style tag. And what we will do, we will provide it an ID so that we can refer in the CSS file. So let's say the ID is heading. So let's delete this attribute and let's provide, instead of an ID, we can also provide a class. The difference between an ID and a class is that an ID is a unique value and the class can have multiple values. So if we want to make changes in both these paragraphs, we will provide a class, similar class to both these. Like the class is para, and similarly here. So now let's make changes in these heading and paragraph tags and make it look better. So to access our ID, what we need to do, we will use the hashtag and then we will use the ID name that we have to refer the h1 tag. And now let's say any property. Suppose the font family is Georgia, and what else? And let's say the text align is center, to align it at the center. Now let's change the paragraph tags. We will access the paragraph tags by using the class para. So the dot operator comes in play here. So let's say the font family is Ridana, The font size, we can change the font size also, 20 pixel. Okay, so here we have an image tag, so let's improve our image. Suppose we have an id equal to image. So now let's change the property associated with the image. To access this, we will need the same id, that is image. Now let's set the width and the height of the image. So let's say the width to be 400 pixels and the height to be 600 pixels. And now let's see the changes that, so now you need to link your CSS file with the HTML. So beneath the head tag, what you will do, you will open a link tag, and with Sublime Text, as I said, it's a very good text editor. You will have these parameters already typed in. So now you need to tell the path that it needs to find the CSS file. So basically, if we see they are in the same folder, so we will specify here the path as abc.css. So now let's save the file, and now let's check the page. So it has finished with all the changes that we have done. So the image does not look good, so we can improve the image definitely by changing this height somewhat less, and let's say it's 500 and this is 700 pixels. So all the changes can be seen in the web page. So basically this was a short tutorial on CSS to get yourself started, and there are many tutorials on CSS. I mean, it is not a programming language, so it's basically you can use Google for any doubts or for any query, or the best source for good CSS is obviously W3 Schools. Suppose I need to learn the padding property of the CSS. So what I will do is padding attribute in CSS, and I will watch this how to do this. It has some awesome explanations of everything, almost everything in CSS. So the basic idea of the video was to tell you how to get yourself started with CSS thing and how to implement this on your web page so that it looks better. So I hope you make good web pages, good websites, and you make it look better so that the others feel better when watching your website. So this is it, guys. I hope you like the video, and I will catch you in the next one.